So, Max, just trying to answer your question, hopefully this helps. There seems to be some confusion about Pardes and the 13 Midos of interpretation and by Rabbi Ishmael, and some have a list of 37, and there's actually quite a few of them that are not listed in the 13 list of Rabbi Ishmael. But the four types of interpretation, those four different ways or sort of categories of interpretation, Pardes, which is mean Peshat, is plain, not literally what the words mean, but the basic understanding of them, right? So Remez is like a hint, largely Gematria. You'll find a lot of Gematria in Remez writings. Midrash, right, these are more esoteric, but not fully esoteric, like the Sod writings, which include a lot of esoteric and are fully coded, and you have to understand them. Within those different categories, you also have 13 ways of interpretation, right? So you'll have a Kal Prat, you'll have a Kal V'chomer, famously used by Rabbi Yeshua in Matthew chapter 5, where he talks about hate being the Kal and unaliving being the Homer, the more heavy part, right? So like Kal is like the basic sort of is sort of the one that's the basis for everything. Okay, so you'll have these Kal Prato Kal, Gezer Shava, like cutting things into two different pieces, and comparing them and trying to define them that way. There's also Hekesh, there's also a bunch of different ways of interpretation, right? So I'm thinking about possibly even doing a class that gets those understood. But there are different ways of interpretation within the four levels of interpretation. Hopefully that helps a little bit. I know it's a complicated subject, but just want to drop that.